Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show amazing use of baking soda to make bath bombs. Making bath bombs is a really fun project which you can do with baking soda. It makes a great gift and comes in handy when you are feeling like having a spa day at home. Things you will need for this remedy: baking soda, citric acid, Epsom salt, corn flour, water, olive oil, essential oil, food color, measuring spoon, mixing bowl, small spray bottle, and mold. Pour 1 cup of baking soda into a mixing bowl. Add half cup each of Epsom salt and corn flour to it. Add half cup of citric acid to the bowl as well. Stir well to mix the ingredients thoroughly. You can also use a whisk for a more efficient job. Pour 2 tablespoons each of water and olive oil into a small spray bottle. Add 10 to 12 drops of essential oil of your choice. Add a few drops of your chosen food color. Gradually increase the amount of food color till you get the color you desire. Put the spray nozzle back on and shake the bottle several times to blend the ingredients thoroughly. Spray the solution into the dry ingredients a little at a time and mix thoroughly. Adding little liquid at a time will prevent the formation of any lumps in the mixture. Incorporate the entire solution into the mixture in this manner. Take some mixture in your palms and squeeze. If it clumps together, consider your mixture ready to be put into molds. Pick out molds of your choice to shape the bath bombs. Spoon the mixture into both the halves of the molds. Pressing with the back of the spoon, pack the mixture tightly into the molds. Bring the two halves of the mold together and press them against each other to seal them shut. Similarly, fill up other molds with the mixture. Remove any excess mixture from the rims using your fingers. Let the mold sit for 1 to 2 minutes to allow the mixture to set in the shape. Tap the mold lightly on both sides with the spoon to release the bath bomb from its mold. Remove one half of the mold. Now ease out the bath bomb from the other half of the mold into your palm. Similarly, extract all the bath bombs. Let the bath bombs dry in a well-ventilated area away from the moisture for 1 to 2 days. The drying time will be vary in accordance with the local climate. Pack the bath bombs tightly in individual plastic wraps and store in an airtight container. When stored properly, these baking soda bath bombs will last for 4 to 5 months. However, they will lose some of their fizz over time. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.